Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download Geometry Dash on PC. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then search for BlueStack. Okay, and then you would be able to see this link or website, so you will then just have to click on it. And then you'd be able to see this download option, download the BlueStack 10 or download the BlueStack 5. So you will then just have to choose and click on it and install it on your PC. So since I already installed this, I will then just have to close this one and open my BlueStack application. So use the search bar at the top and search for Geometry Dash. Okay, and then just click on enter. And you'd be able to see this different applications. So just choose the first one and then click on the install via Google Play. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.